How to fix error code 232602. This video file cannot be played. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix this issue. If you are running the video in Google Chrome, then click on three dots, select settings, click on the system tab and turn off this setting. Use graphics acceleration when available and click on relaunch. Check if the video plays smoothly. If the issue still occurs, then disable extensions. Go to the extensions tab, turn off all the extensions here. Then check if the issue is fixed. If the issue still persists, then clear the browsing data. Go to privacy and security, click on delete browsing data, go to the advanced tab, select here all time, leave the passwords and other sign-in data and autofill from data unchecked. Check all other options and click on delete data. If you are running the video in any application, then use another application to play the video, such as if you are running the video in media player, then you can use VLC media player to run the same video. If you are running any third-party antivirus software program, then disable or uninstall it. To uninstall the third-party antivirus, right-click on Start, select Installed Apps, find the program in the list. To be fair, I have not installed any third-party antivirus. I am showing you an example here. Suppose this is the third-party antivirus. Then click on three dots and select Uninstall. Click on Uninstall. Yes, follow the on-screen instructions until the complete removal and restart your computer in the end. Then check if the issue is fixed. You can check the video by playing in incognito mode of the browser. Open incognito mode of a browser, play the video and check if the issue is fixed. That's all friends.